How coral reefs protect us from climate change, nature's hidden guard against a burning planet. Beyond their beauty, coral reefs are one of our strongest natural defenses against climate change. Coral reefs reduce wave energy by 97%, protecting 200 million people worldwide. As storms intensify, their role in coastal defense is crucial. Reefs support seagrass and mangroves, vital carbon sinks that help fight climate change. Losing reefs could release stored carbon. Reefs supports diverse marine life that feeds people, keep oceans healthy, and strengthen resilience against climate change. Reefs generate billions in ecotourism, helping coastal communities build resilience against climate change. But these shields are weakening. As reefs die, coasts, communities, and climate resilience are at risk. Coral reefs are natural climate guards. Protecting them means protecting ourselves. Thanks for watching.